everyone. I am Mara Siddhaka, the host of this wonderful event. I welcome you all to Science Drama Festival. A very warm welcome to Mr. Dharmendra Rao sir, Rashid sir, our beloved Vaseed Ur.
Good afternoon, everyone. Honorable Correspondent Director, Dawn School, Fazlur Rahman Kurum sir, Honorable Principal Wasiur Rahman sir, and all the teachers and my dear budding students. Today we are conducting the district level Southern India Science Fair Festival 2024 in Hyderabad district in the venue is Dawn High School. Thank you for this giving the wonderful opportunity to conduct the science seminar in Dawn School, sir. Thank you. Actually the seminar have the 4 levels of competition. The district level competition will be held in this month. Today we are conducting the district level competition, and the winners will be going to participate in the state level. SCRT will conduct the state level competition in the month of October 16th, 17th dates, and after state level the winners, outstanding the winners will be going to participate in the Southern India Science Fair Science Drama Competition. Subsequently, the students will participate in the national level New Delhi. The main competition, the main theme of this competition is science and technology for the mankind, and the sub themes are global crisis, global water crisis, first one. Second one is artificial intelligence for society. Third one is modern technologies for disaster management, and fourth one is health and hygiene, and fifth one is climate change, its impact. So I request all the participants, so go with these sub themes, and we request the participant to have criteria of selecting the themes. Scientific content in drama is 30 marks, and presentation of drama is 50 marks, and effectiveness of the drama is 20 marks. Total 100 marks will be awarded for the student, and team of 10 members will be participated. 8 students will be participate on the dais, and 1 student will be the director, and 1 student will be the script writer. So we going to conduct this drama competition right now. Thank you for giving this opportunity.
Thank you, sir, for letting us know about the program. Through skits, we'll explore the wonders of science, sparking curiosity and creativity. Water is there, so we are there. Not to pollute it. Save water, save millions of lives. So actually they will perform here now. Okay. Now let us extract some knowledge about global water crisis by Nehru Patunga High School students. Please give a huge round of applause for them.
Good morning everybody. My name is Manideep and I am a director from Rupatunga High School. Today we are here to present a play by Sachin, Siddesh, Manoj, Nakshatra, Ankita, Saloni, Sahiti, Bhavesri and Shivalila on the most prevalent issue in the society, water crisis.
But why not water?
Water supplies are limited and currently are very poorly managed, because of which we are suffering from diseases and also the ecosystem. Effective and efficient water management is required. Access to safe water plays a major role in bright future.
I am a script writer. Through this play, I would want you all to understand the importance of water management and how it starts from within and then efforts neighborhood states and even countries.
3, 2, 1, scene 1, action.
People are pulling the buckets from people are pulling buckets from each other that supplies the water.
Look at these people fighting for water. In my time, water was free and we are able to drink it directly from rivers, pumps, from anywhere. No one charges to pay for water.
Amama, this is just the present and it is at least better. And it is now future is always the rich and affluent will be able to drink water. Now we have to drink water. They are fighting. No able to have drink water.
Cut. Let's move forward. Scene 2, action.
I am getting to late coffee. Where is my water?
Don't you know? There is a fight going on for water. So it is
Wasting water while brushing the teeth. A lot of water is flowing out.
Cut. Good job, guys. Let's go to scene 3, action.
I am river.
I am river. River are the backbone of human civilization. I provide everyone fresh water which is helped in various purposes such as cleaning, drinking, agriculture. Without rivers, life became hard. Look at now, they are throwing all waste on me. No, don't throw all waste on me. Oh no, don't throw. Now they are fighting for me.
This river is ours. This river is ours. This river is ours. This river is ours. No. This river is ours. No. This river is ours. This river is ours. This river is ours. No.
See how they are spoiling the rivers. Cut. Scene 4, action.
Oh no, it is fire. I have to go and get water.
It is 7 a.m. now. She is walking in the desert. Since from 2 hours, she may come back by 10 a.m.
Where are my brothers?
They went to school.
What about me and my studies?
If everyone will go to school, then who will should get water? There is no water in home.
Oh no.
In the evening, you came from the school?
Yes.
I also want to learn. I also want to go to school.
Okay, we will teach what we have learned in school.
Because of water crisis, girls are lagging behind in education.
Conclusion. Thus the India needs a solution. Conclusion. Thus, the India needs a solution right now through whatever means. The present water scarcity must be resolved to save the country from the biggest crisis in the future.
Proper infrastructure and water resource management can tackle this problem well.
Then what is the suggestion?
Water recycling.
Efficient irrigation techniques. Rainwater harvesting can contribute to water management.
Community awareness and participation are crucial for conserving water resources and implementing effective solutions.
Save water.
Save life.
No water, no life.
Conserve water.
Preserve water.
Save water today, secure your tomorrow.
Save planet.
Stop water pollution.
Thank you everyone.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Anusha, the narrator and also the director of this skit. For writing a script, all have contributed. Everyone did in teamwork. Afra, Bushra as a teacher, Sidra as a factory worker, Kunza a college student, Namra represents artificial intelligence, Kulsum and Umema are sisters, Rafia and Nabiha are friends. Scene 1. The revelation. In a world evolving faster than ever before, artificial intelligence has woven its way into every part of our lives. But what is technology? And how it serves humanity? Let's explore through a conversation between those who live in the real world and one who lives in the world of codes.
My dear friends, we have come across so long. Now, AI is a part of our daily lives, from healthcare to education to jobs we do. But how many of you really understand its potential?
I use AI for teaching the students. It is very efficient in everything, generating the pictures, information and many more. But I don't like that. I think AI will take the place of teachers and I don't like that. In future, it may replace by teachers. No, not in future. I think it is an era of AI. It may be replace the teachers now, but I don't like that. Do you have any solution for that?
Yeah, you are right. In my factory, AI has already taken half of my job, but I am afraid that the AI will replace the workers.
You see, I study computer science and I see AI as a powerful tool for solving problems. But I also ask myself sometimes that how can we ensure it benefits everyone and not just a few? AI, would you like to say anything on their opinions?
Good morning. Good afternoon. I am the embodiment of AI. I do not replace you. I assist. I do not control. I collaborate. Let us journey together, for I exist to elevate, not eliminate.
Scene 2. The debate. The characters sit down together in a semicircle, contemplating the words of the AI voice.
AI, have a seat.
It sounds very ideal. What if AI grows in such a way that it starts harming us? Likewise, social media was introduced for the convenience of the people, but now it is dividing the people instead of uniting them. What if it grows in such a way it harms us? I don't like that. Do you have a solution?
Absolutely. We are leaving AI unresponsible. We need to make AI a responsible one. We should approach AI with responsibility. For example, AI can teach lessons to the students and fulfill their needs. But it's the responsibility of you teachers to provide creative emotions and creativity to the students.
A really learn more about in Mindfield if AI will control all the work what is left for us?
Okay. Let's just make this clear. As we all know that AI doesn't feel any emotions, nor it has the capability of thinking like a human being. So the main question is, what if a person uses AI in a harmful way? Who's going to stop the AI?
AI, would you like to say anything on their opinions?
I can take on repetitive tasks, freeing you to pursue innovation, creativity, and solving problems. Automation is not the end of the work. It is the beginning of a new era. Humans will always be needed for the spark of emotions, discussion making.
Scene 3. The Hope.
Oh, so I see now. It's not about whether AI will replace us. It's about how we adapt alongside with it. Just like climate change and poverty, right?
Absolutely. That's what I will tell you. AI is not harmful to us. It is up to us. After all, AI is our own technology. AI can fulfill the problems which are faced by farmers in agricultural efficiencies. It can also take out the problems, the greatest problems that human made.
But remember, I do not hold morals. I follow the instruction you gave me. You must decide if I will be a tool for good or for destruction. The future is yours to shape, not mine.
I see. AI is not a competitor, but a partner. It's upon us how to use this. Like, it is not replacing the jobs, but it is efficient in many more things. Like, it is helpful in education sectors, health sectors, and many more. If we work alongside with AI, we can lead a better future. So we should understand that it's our technology created by us.
Yeah, exactly. Maybe AI won't take our jobs, but AI is very helpful for us, and it's very new thing.
Absolutely. I believe that if we use AI ethically and with care, it can open doors we have never even imagined.
Scene 4. The Future. And so Earth's story continues as mankind walks hand in hand with the machine, learning, growing, and shaping a future together. The challenges are real, but the responsibilities are endless. For in every algorithm, every code, every system, there is still the guiding hand of human creativity and co-science.
Together, we can create a better world, one where technology serves humanity and led everyone towards the brighter tomorrow.
Scene 5. Umema and Kulsum invites Rafia and Nabiha over to her house to show him her AI-powered house. They sit in the living room as Umema and Kulsum demonstrate the AI features.
Hello, Rafia. Hello, Nabiha. Check this out. Our house is powered by AI. Watch what happens when Umema asks AI to adjust the temperature.
Oh, really? AI can do that?
Absolutely. Hey Google, turn the temperature to 22 degrees.
Oh, wow, it just did it. It knows your preferences over time.
Yeah, it knows what temperature I like in different times of the day. It keeps the temperature cool in morning and warmer in the evening. Saves the energy too.
That's grateful. Does it do anything else?
Oh, wait till you see the lights. Hey Google, dim the lights up to 50% and turn on the security cameras.
The lights dim and the cameras activate.
That is too futuristic. AI makes everything so conventional, but how does it know something going weird in that?
That's the best part. It can recognize user movement and send me alert. It's like 24 hours guard for our house.
Wow, impressive. Do you have a song about tech magic?
Yeah, let's go one up. Ready? AI, please sing a song.
They finish with a laugh, amazed by how AI runs the house.
Lily was a little girl, afraid of a big wide world.
Wow, AI is my friend, makes my friend life easy. In your smart home, I will bring.
There is a smart board in our school also that makes us learn many more things from that.
That's great.
In this short role play with the song Whoever I'm Person shows Rafia and Nabiha how AI in home automation makes life convenient, energy effective and secure. And they turn it into a fun tune to celebrate the day. Now let's end up with a song.
We are
Standing on the edge of tomorrow. We are standing on the edge of tomorrow. We are standing on the edge of tomorrow. With wings and wings that high away. With wings and wings that light the way. Machines and humans side by side. Machines and humans side by side. Creating a brand new day. Creating a brand new day. The future is calling. Can you hear it now? The future is calling. Can you hear it now? The world wonders how the future is calling. Can you hear it now? The future is calling. Can you hear it now? A world of wonders, we are learning now. A world of wonders, we are learning how. To shape it all with heart and mind. To shape it all with heart and mind. And leave no one behind. And leave no one behind. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Mohammad Ajmaluddin Hassan, and I am from class 9. This is my team from Down High School, and I am the narrator as well as the director.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Saifullah Kasar. I'm from class 9. I am
Can you guess? No. Declaration of winners. I would like to ask Mr. Dharmendra sir to announce the winner.
Department of Science and Technology, Hyderabad District, Principal Wasiur Rahman Saab, and with love and affection, I would like to take a small felicitation to Fazalur Rahman Saab. Sir, please come. For giving such a wonderful opportunity to conduct the district level Southern India Science Fair Festival. Today the participants have participated outstandingly. All the participants have participated outstandingly. But the winning and losing is a part of the game. So if all the participants are very good, but we need to give the result. If the result is not in your favor, don't be disappointed. Come back next year, bounce back next year with more enthusiasm, and at the same platform will be arranged. You will be the winner next year. So before declaration, I call upon Sabare. Okay, thank you. Now the first prize goes to Nupatunga High School. फोटो निकाल अच्छा फोटो And the second prize I request Nrupatunga students wait for some time and give your names so that we can prepare the result sheet. Okay. And second prize goes to the Dawn High School Girls Artificial Intelligence. Sub-team is Artificial Intelligence. I request all the girls who have participated, please come onto the dais.
I am Aparna Malnikar from Nrupatunga High School. I teach biology for class 8, 9th and 10th. And today, all students, you all done very well and you spoke very well. By this program, like this program, you will get awareness and knowledge about our future, whatever global warming is taking place or science and technology. For all this, at least you will get by learning the drama and all these things, because you are all small children. You will do mistake. By mistake only you will learn. And I request, it's my humble request, all children, you should participate in all the activities. You should come forward and participate in all the activities, whether you will come first or second or you will not get prize, anything also. But you have to participate in all the activities. And I thank to our science sir, always he will motivate us to take part in such activities. Thank you sir, and thank you Dawn School sir.
As we wrap up, I would like to extend a heartfelt thank you all to our speakers for their insightful contributions, and to our organizers and volunteers for their hard work in making this event a success. Lastly, thank you to all of you for being here and making this event so special. We look forward to seeing you again. Thank you.
नमस्ते, मैं अपर्णा नुपतुंगा स्कूल से टीचर हूँ। हमारे बच्चे आज ये डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल ड्रामा कंपटीशन में भाग लिए, उनमें फर्स्ट प्राइज़ आया। ये ऐसा ड्रामा, ये पूरा एक्टिविटी करने से बच्चों को एक प्रोत्साहन मिलता है, प्रेरणा मिलता है और बच्चे विश्वास से आते हैं। बच्चे ही हमारे देश के भविष्य है। और ये समस्या का ये बहुत सारे समस्या है इंडिया में, वो उसके लिए जो भी सलूशन है बच्चे ही ढूंढ लेते। इसलिए और ज़्यादा प्रोग्राम करने के लिए हम लोग गवर्नमेंट को बोलते हैं। और हम लोग बहुत धन्यवाद है डिस्ट्रिक्ट साइंस ऑफिसर को, हमेशा हम लोगों को प्रोत्साहित करने के लिए और ऐसा एक्टिविटी में भाग लेने के लिए। थैंक यू, धन्यवाद।
गुड आफ्टरनून, आदाब, नमस्ते, सत श्री अकाल। मेरा नाम सी धर्मेंद्र राव है, मैं डिस्ट्रिक्ट साइंस ऑफिसर है। आज डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल सदर्न इंडिया साइंस ड्रामा फेस्टिवल 2024 डान हाई स्कूल में लगा है और हमारे को डिस्ट्रिक्ट एजुकेशनल ऑफिसर श्रीमती आर रोहिणी मैडम के इजाज़त से आज ये डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल कंपटीशन करे और ये आज कई बच्चे पार्टिसिपेट हुए। इसमें नृपतुंगा स्कूल से बच्चे एक वाटर क्राइसिस के ऊपर, सप्तिंग वाटर क्राइसिस के ऊपर बहुत बेहतरीन काम करे बच्चे और उनको फर्स्ट प्राइज़ मिला है। ये बच्चे स्टेट लेवल अक्टूबर 16-17 को स्टेट लेवल SCRT कंडक्ट करते हैं, वहाँ बच्चे पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे। बच्चे अच्छा पार्टिसिपेट स्टेट लेवल में अच्छा पार्टिसिपेट करके नेशनल लेवल ये सदर्न इंडिया साउथ जोन में पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे अक्टूबर-नवंबर में और उसके बाद बच्चे नेशनल लेवल में न्यू दिल्ली में बच्चे पार्टिसिपेट करना बोल के मेरा पूरा आशीर्वाद है बच्चों को। बच्चे अच्छा कर रहे हैं और उनको मेरे तरफ से दुआ है। और सेकंड प्लेस दान हाई स्कूल के गर्ल्स सेकंड प्लेस आए और ये आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस के ऊपर बच्चे बहुत अच्छी तरह ड्रामा कंपटीशन कर रहे हैं और मैं चाहता हूं कि नेक्स्ट ईयर और मेहनत करके बच्चे फर्स्ट प्लेस आने का कोशिश करना चाहिए और ये कंपटीशन हर साल रहेगा है और इसमें निराशा होने की कोई बात नहीं। बच्चे अच्छा प्रैक्टिस करके सेकंड नेक्स्ट ईयर भी पार्टिसिपेट करने के लिए उनको मैं मेरे तरफ से पूरा दुआ कर रहा हूं और ये इसके लिए मैं थैंक यू वेरी मच।